going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Good morning. Now, today we have some sort of an interesting market. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. We have a pretty interesting market. Now, I kind of have a game plan, but I'm still waiting for a little bit more of, with such a strong sell-off like this, I'm waiting for a bit more confirmation, right? So that's what I'm waiting on. So here, let me go ahead and start up my live trading here on my Discord real quick, so I can talk to those members and talk to everyone all together, guys. But yeah, let me go ahead and start this up. Let me see. But yeah, we have a really interesting market today. It's definitely it seems tradable. We could definitely catch something good. We just need to wait for the perfect confirmation and for the perfect timing. Um, but I'm definitely a lot more interested in longs, which I'll explain now in a second once I start up this live trading. But here, let me go and start it up. There you go. But yeah, it looks really interesting. Let me see. Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, guys. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, so let's get straight into it. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. All right, let's get straight into this. So today's market looks really interesting, right? And we can agree to that because I mean we had such a strong sell-off. You know what I mean? Like it just opened literally a world of opportunities here with setups, right? Now, obviously, you guys saw that I put out in the commentary that I don't really have a bias yet, but I definitely am leaning more towards bullish, and I have my reasonings for that. Although I know you guys, some people may be like, "Why are you bullish when the market is selling off?" No, just give it time. You know what I mean? It's something that could happen during the AM, maybe PM. Who knows? Who knows, right? But here's what I'm watching so far, guys. Right? So obviously, you guys saw the huge sell-off that we had right off open. It was about I think 170 points. Yep, 173 points. Um, so yeah, with this massive sell-off, we created one very nice fair value gap, which it's gonna take. It's really gonna take some time to fill. I mean, we're kind of like 130 points away, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 137, practically 140 points away, right? We're 140 points away from this rally gap, so inversing this is gonna be a little bit hard. I don't even know if we're even gonna inverse this today, right? But what this rally gap is gonna go ahead and do is it's gonna give us literally, it's gonna open a world of a bias, of setups, of reasoning behind the market. It's gonna tell us everything, right? So just because we're doing inverse this rally gap does not really mean anything, because we could definitely play more downside or even some mini upside, stuff like that, right? So what we could do right now is yeah, it seems like I was bullish personally because it seemed like with the huge market sell off, we took out London lows. If you guys look at the indicator, yeah, we had London lows open right here at 405.25. We took out those London lows and we instantly started seeing some buyers come in. So I'm like, you know what? Okay, I'm not gonna be extremely bullish just yet, but I'm definitely gonna lean more towards it because with the market selling up so strong, us taking out drawn liquidity, then we start getting a ton of buyers to step in. That shows something, right? But the reason I didn't say I was completely bullish yet is because with such a big fair value gap like this, the chances of us rejecting is like 90 to 10. You know what I mean? Like there's a 90% chance of us rejecting, and there's a 10% chance of us inversing it because this fair value gap is so big, right? So this wasn't really in mind, just in case I put it out. But currently what's going on right now is, now that we're able to reject off of this fair value gap, and we know that we're rejecting off of this fair value gap, what we can go ahead and do is we can go ahead and use this as a bias, right? So what's going on is, we got the London sweep. It seemed to be a fake out because of course we're breaking below it, right? We rejected off this bearish fair value gap, giving us more of a bearish bias, hence why we're creating lower lows. And now right now we're also creating a pretty nice fair value gap, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so the volume looks really good today. So if we can catch a trade today, I would say it would be a pretty big trade, right? Hopefully, I'm hoping for it. But what we could do here is we still have a really nice room to the downside. We have room into 276. Now you might be asking, why are we looking at 226? I mean 276. If it seems really far. I mean, we're trading at the 400s. Well, first of all, volume today looks extremely strong. I mean, we're getting fair value gaps literally in every single candle. Every single candle is over 80 points, right? At least a selling candle. So with us having more of a clear bias towards the downside, right, and us creating very nice fair value gaps like this one, for example, let me measure it just to make sure, just in case. I'm more than yeah, 66 points. So what we could do here is we can go ahead and mark this one out, right? So what we could do here is, now that we can expect more like some more downside here, we can look for a simple rejection or retracement into this fair value gap, or we could create one right here, right? I would actually prefer for one right here. We have 1 minute into this candle, and we need to dump about 30-ish points, right? 20, 30 points. So we'll see if we even get that. But if we don't, we could definitely use this fair value gap right here. The thing is, I would want to inverse it, because I mean everything is lining up for an inverse. But okay, here's the problem. The market hasn't been open for too long. Like, we've gotten too much movement in too little time, right? And what this causes is a few problems, right? The problems being we don't have enough confirmation to know what exactly the market wants to do, right? So, you know what I mean? Let's see what we could do here. Let's see what we could do here for sure. But yeah, pretty much what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna stay a little bit more patient, give the market a few minutes, not even a few minutes, maybe like 20-ish, 30 minutes. Maybe we get a trade before, maybe we don't. But for the time being, to be a fake out. Here, let me go ahead and put this live out. For the time being, we'll see what we can get. Right, we're just waiting on some confirmations here. Because the reason I'm saying I don't like, I like shorts but not enough for me to take them, is because we're still playing around this London low. What we could do is we can easily just retrace back into it and sweep again, you know. So we'll see. Right now I wouldn't say this is a pretty valid for rally gap. I would just wait. I would rather wait for this one to play out a little bit more. But I'm gonna give the market, like I said, a bit more time to see what confirmations we really get. Do we want to keep breaking lows? If we do, I would say we have more than enough room to create a setup down here to go into 276. If we start seeing buyers, we could look to inverse this, get a quick wait. We could look to inverse this if we get some buyers here after the sweep. If we get the sweep, we could look to inverse this for value gap, look for a quick scalp up here, and test our luck to see if we can manage to ride into this inverse and target higher for, an amazing day, right? So that's pretty much the game plan right now. Now, I am seeing that a lot of you guys today already made your money. I saw a lot of you guys in the chat. You guys made your money off the sell-off. So guys, if you guys are up 1,000, if you guys are up 200, 300, 500, I don't care how much you guys are up. If you guys are green on the day, just call it. Just call it. You guys had the most beautiful opportunity of getting your green through, during the morning, where you guys can go enjoy your day, right? So yeah, I'm just telling you guys that right now, because that's what I would do. You know what I mean? Just be smart about it. Don't try to give back gains. Yeah, look at that. You went short and made $1,000. Just call it a day. Just go, maybe go back to bed, or maybe go do something else. If you already made 1,000, there's no point. There's no point. You caught your move for the day. You're done for the day. Yeah, exactly. Look, up 3.1K on YouTube. Not trading no more. Just want to say hey, what's up, bro? What's going on? What's going on? But yeah, guys, I just woke up. Yeah, bro, you're good. You're good. But yeah, guys, if you guys are done for this, just call it. It's simple. It's simple. But yeah, guys. Okay. So yeah, right now what we're waiting for, like I said, is we're just waiting for a possible. Like I said, we're gonna wait, a little bit to just see what the market wants to give us. Did I miss a trade? No, you did not. Is it Code of Miami? I don't know. It probably isn't. No, you didn't miss any trades at all. But yeah, like I said, just waiting for some confirmation. It was 49 degrees here in Florida. Hey, what's up, hey assassin? Hold on, let me see. Maybe it is cold. I would hope so. Let me see. Whether it's windy. It's windy because it's cloudy, but it's not really cold. It's like 78 degrees. I mean, that's cold for Miami. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, bro. Let me check where I live. Hold up. Nope. It's just cloudy and windy. It's 76 degrees. So yeah, I would say it's cold. I would say it's cold. But later throughout the afternoon, it's gonna be 81. So nah, not really. Maybe in the future. Yeah, maybe like Saturday. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, got it. Anyways, guys. Yeah, we're still waiting on this come to Miami today, bro. Bet. We're still waiting on this possible what's it called? MSS. There it is. I couldn't get it out. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, the bootcamp, guys. I finished recording the video for the bootcamp. I had to record a few bits, but it's done. So it should be out today. So yeah. I thought you guys might want to hear that. So yeah, I'm gonna put part 2 out today, in like maybe at 4 p.m. around there. Can you click on MSS real quick? MSS is a market structure shift. Like when the trend goes from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish. Um, but yeah, we're still waiting on some. It seems like sellers. I don't want to speak too quick yet because I know the second I'm gonna say sellers are getting weak, they're just gonna sell this off. But you guys get the idea here, right? Sellers are getting, we're getting some wicks here and there. We're getting some buying starting to come in. So let's see what we can make out of that. Hopefully we can make the best out of it. Um, but yeah, hopefully. Is BOS the same as MSS? No, it is not. I like the, okay. Here's the thing. I want to say sellers are getting a little bit weaker by the candle, but there's nothing really telling us that. Maybe in the next 5 seconds, this candle will probably just sell off. Who knows? Who knows? If it does, I don't know. That's the thing. When we have these days where the market just sells off right off open, it might seem it's amazing. Like we have setups and everything, but it's actually pretty hard because when you have so much volume at open, but you don't have enough time to really read the confirmations in the market, you know what I mean? It just it makes your life a little bit harder. Um, like I said, I know that the market is currently selling off, but with us taking out London lows and with us having so much volume here, I would wait for a possible MSS, but you know what I mean? I would have to see. I would have to see. If we get one sell off going into 276, I would look to take some shorts for a scalp. Like if we create some sort of a fair value gap here, but the space that we have here is pretty little. So it would probably be more of a scalp. Is that the new fair value? Yeah, I'm looking at this one. But that's even if we go up there. I'm still waiting on something to happen. Looks like we're scalping again. Yeah, bro. This week has been a scalping week, but nothing bad about it. Nothing bad about it at all, bro. We still been making we have still been making money out of it. So what is it to complain about? You just gotta be quicker, right? This market is not for the slow people. But let's see. Seems like buyers are keep trying to step in every single candle. So hopefully, slowly, in maybe one, two, or maybe even three candles, we can reverse this back up into the sweep above at 405 and get the MSS into this fair value gap to see what we can do off of that. Yo, Blasters, I'm up 500 on my new PA. Should I call it a day? Yes, bro. Call it a day. That's not even a question, bro. Call it a day. Call it a day, bro. If you guys made your money for the day, if you guys made 500, 1,000, 10,000, if anything, call it a day, bro. Shit, I would have been. I would not be here right now if I was up. You know what I mean? I'll be back in bed. What does drawn liquidity mean? It's drawn. Oh, I just said it. DOL. DOL stands for drawn liquidity. Go get some water so we get the MSS. Yeah, bro. I might have to. I might have to. But another fair value gap below the one you marked out. Well, yeah, there's one right. Obviously, yeah, there's one right here. If this is the one you're talking about, if you're talking about this one, it's probably there, but I wouldn't trade it. It's too small. Plus, even if you do trade this one, you have another one to worry about. I made $2. Yeah, bro. As long as you see your P&L green, bro, call it. No, I'm just kidding. But we're still waiting on something here. Let me see what ES is doing. I want to say ES. I'm not. No, actually no. ES might look a little bit weaker. It kind of looks the same. Kind of looks the same. It is going into this fair value gap right here though. So far, nothing is really leading. Everything looks kind of the same. The price action is a little bit different, which is normal, but nothing is leading. So that's fine, I guess. But yeah, price is still struggling to break above 405. Like I said, if we can hold above 405, we should be able to get a really nice inverse off this. If buyers can no, I haven't touched my personal. I kind of withdrew most of it already. But yeah. By the way, guys, I managed. bro, I think my Discord or Discord in general glitched out yesterday because I put out an announcement. I don't know if you guys saw it. Some people did, some people didn't. But guys, yesterday with the 80-point trade, we managed to get the 10-day mark on Apex, and we finally requested another payout, guys. We just requested another payout. So yeah, I along with some other people managed to get it. We yeah we I mean some people got it, not all of us, obviously not everyone, but some people did get some payouts. Um, pe- I'm gonna see. So far, I have not gotten the. People are saying that like you get it in a day or two, maybe three. So let's see what all that hype is about, bro. I'm just seeing a payout. I'm just seeing a payout in general, bro. Okay, we're getting the buying coming in. Let me see, bro. It's been hard to say that made 3.5. Bro, if you're making, bro. Okay, look. First of all, bro, what is it? Compare. What's it saying? Is comparison is a thief of joy, bro. Do not compare yourself to others, bro. You don't know what happens with other people, bro. Maybe they made three to 5K today, but they probably lost 10,000 yesterday. You know what I mean? Because of the oversizing, bro. It's fine. It's fine. Or maybe they're copy trading, where they're making 500, but they have maybe 5 accounts, 3 accounts. Just, bro, learn to not compare yourself to others, bro. I promise you, it's gonna be the biggest uh thief of joy. Or is how you say it? Yeah, yeah, thief of joy. Yeah, something shit like that, right? Do not compare yourself to others, bro. Please, bro. Matter of fact, if you're making $300 to $500 a day, bro, that's still a lot of money, bro. You know what I mean? Like don't compare yourself to others, bro. Yeah, it's a thief of joy. Exactly. There you go. Yeah, it is. It is. The video is dropping today. But yeah, guys, no, do not compare yourself to others. It will literally ruin you, especially in trading. Because you feel like you're doing good, and then you see someone doing better, and then you break your rules to catch up to them, and little do you know you're screwed. You know. Yes, it's actually serious advice. Exactly. Not just for trading, it's for life in general. You know what I mean? So do not compare yourself to others, man. It's not good. You'll get literally nothing positive out of it. Yeah, look at that. So you're becoming a better trader. You're learning discipline. You're learning the strategy. You're learning everything. But what is there to complain about? And you're making $300 to $500 a day, which is a lot of money, bro. Especially in one day. Many people, you know what I mean? Like some people don't. You know what I'm trying to say? If you're at home or doing something and you're making 500, 300 to 500 on the side, bro, that's amazing. Exactly. Some people work all week for 500 and you're making it in a day and you're complaining about it. You know? Come on now. Come on now, bro. Anyways, guys, right now buyers are stepping in. I mean, I'm hoping they're stepping in. You know what I mean? I already made 400 so far. Bro, yeah, just if anything, call it, bro. Call it. And a day more like exactly, more like minutes. Anyways, guys, but yeah, we're right now what we're doing is I want to see us hold above 405. I don't know if we're still gonna be able to. Buyers definitely stepped in right here. They're trying to step in here, so hopefully we can get some nice movement here. But if we do get the nice movement that we're looking for, I would definitely look to take some scalps, or not some. I'll be looking to take an inverse off this. Right now, this setup, I'm gonna say one more time. I know it's gonna be. I know you guys probably don't want to hear this, but it's probably gonna be not even probably. It's gonna be more of a risky setup again, right? This entire week we've been taking nothing but risky setups. But hey, you know what I mean? Nothing but we got a size light as always. When it comes to these types of setups, and then we go from there, right? To tell the truth, I was on 2,000 in drawdown from oversizing a couple weeks ago. Now I'm back to break even. So you feel pretty exactly, but it's fine, bro. It's fine. Just try. That's why I personally tell you guys avoid social media when it comes to trading. Because first of all, a lot of people like to sell you the dream, which is completely fake. A lot of people like to fake gains, which also ruins with your confidence. Because you look at your gains and it's not as big as theirs, even though it is big. And honestly, you know what I mean? Yeah, I am trading micros. I always do micros. There's never been a time where I've done minis. But yeah, no, bro. Try to avoid social media. Try to avoid, looking at other people's wins. At least during while you're trading. You know what I mean? It just messes you up. I didn't see the 1 day pass on Apex. I use your code. Nah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. It'll be 1 day pass. So if you pass it today or tomorrow, you'll get funded that day. Do you like the idea of a 1 minute for value gaps? No, I really don't. I really don't. No. Social media messed me up when I first started. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Resizing. How much you recommend for a 25k eval? Five micros. Five. Can you explain an IFEG? Nah, bro. It's gonna take too long, bro. Just look at the videos in the channel. I have them there for a reason. 10 for 50k. Yeah, 10 for 50k. Yes, sir. That's what I've been doing. But yeah, guys, right now, like I said, we're waiting for a nice confirmation for a lot of buyers to step in. Once we get that, we can possibly look for some longs here. And then we're gonna have a lot of price targets. Matter of fact, I don't know if we're gonna see 261, but we could definitely see something, right? So yeah, we can at least see at least for a quick scalp, we can look into 504. So we're looking at like what like a quick 30 point scalp. You know that's not too bad. That's not too bad. So at least for PT1, because we have this massive fair value gap where we could reject off anywhere. So I mean, it's gonna be a little bit risky, but hey, we've been taking risky setups all week. Why not do one more? And I'm probably not gonna make too much today, guys, because I have to trade on my 3 accounts. Which it's still fine. It's still fine. Because my other ones are under review right now. For the payout, so I can't really trade on them just yet. You want to enter out the we just inversed? No, because we have so much stuff holding us above, and also you don't have that much confirmation either. So yeah, you don't have too much confirmation. Buyers are still trying to step in. It's not really confirmed that they're really stepping in. But we should get that confirmation as we inverse this one, right? Rather than this one. You get what I'm saying? It's just more confirmations. Does Apex deny reviews? Not really. I mean, well, if you broke the rules, yeah, that's the whole point of the review of the account. But you know, they do. It depends. If you broke the rules, then yeah, of course you're gonna get the payout denied. If you didn't break the rules, then yeah, you're gonna get it straight to your bank account. Hey, what's up, Wizard? What's going on, bro? Where's your entry? I don't have an entry yet, bro. My entry will be somewhere near the 470 range. But speaking of here, let me go ahead and write these price targets just in case. I have a lot of price targets today. Matter of fact, I don't. Hold on. So it'll be 20,504.75. Buyers are stepping in pretty nice, which is a really good sign. But let's see. Okay, so buyers are stepping in here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna move this down a little bit. I'm gonna set more of a realistic price target here, just because I don't want to backhold this trade all day. So I'm gonna delete most of these. There you go. Okay, so let's see how we react going into this fair value gap, guys. Are we bullish or bearish? Right now I'm more bullish. I've been bullish pretty much all morning. Although we dumped down pretty hard. Why don't you trade minis? Why trade minis when you could do micros? You make the same amount, you just have more control over the contracts. You could trim more. You could do whatever you want. You could trim one fraction of a mini, all that stuff. You know what I mean? It's just an advantage. Of course, you have to pay more fees on it, maybe like a few dollars, which shouldn't really hurt. But it's worth the price. You know what I mean? It's worth what you pay. Okay, so we're finally inside of this fair value gap. Hopefully, my bad. Hopefully we don't reject off of this fair value gap. But we'll see. We will see. What's ES doing? Hopefully ES is leading. ES just inverse this fair value gap, which could give us some strength, the strength that we want to look for, to go into to go a little bit higher. ES really doesn't have anything holding it down till 912. So if both look strong, we can really go into this liquidity up here. So this is what I'm looking for, guys. Okay, so we're getting a nice spike in volume here. We're getting a very nice spike in volume. So let's see what we can do here, guys. Like I said, I'm waiting for a nice break above. Also a hold above would be amazing. To then look for some longs. But yeah, like I said, guys, I am sizing a little bit lighter on this trade since I am considering it pretty risky. I'm not gonna say it's starter. I'm gonna do starters. But I am definitely gonna size light on this trade. I don't want to oversize on this one, especially with us not having the most confirmations on this trade. I mean, we have stuff there. We have the sweep. We have a little bit of an MSS, and we have some buying strength, but it's not the strongest in the world. You know what I mean? So there's a bit of a risk, especially with us having such a strong fair value gap right above it. So yeah, let me see. We're about to break this. Buyers seem like they want to break this. What's ES doing? Yeah, no, nothing is leading so far. Everything is playing together. So if one rejects, so will the other. But yeah, let's see what we do off of this midpoint from the fair value gap. Hopefully we can inverse this, because that's the main thing we're looking for. And I'm gonna have something like a 25-point stop loss in a way. So yeah. Let's see, sellers are trying to step in here. I don't think ES has any 15-minute. Yeah, no. Yeah, so far sellers are. It's not like they're strong here, but they're trying to gain control. If they don't gain control here and buyers step in and we get the seller exhaustion, we should have no issue going into at least 504. So that's what I'm waiting on. Let's see. Hopefully we don't get the rejection we're looking for. ES is holding up pretty well, so which should give NQ the little boost up. You see, ES wants to break highs up here, and NQ struggling off of this fair value gap. Yeah, look at that. No, ES, bro. Yeah, no, ES is definitely leading a lot more. So NQ should have no, in my opinion, it shouldn't have any issue because ES really wants these highs. Now, the issue is I don't want ES to take out 912 before NQ does anything. You know? So we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. We might get like a little mini pullback, which will be normal. Hopefully we don't get such a massive pullback, which will, you know, kind of not ruin the setup, but have us waiting a little bit more. Let me see. Alright, we're getting buyers to step in really strong here. ES should be breaking these high. No, actually. Okay, this is getting a little bit confusing because 1 second one is leading one, and then the next second the other one is leading the other. But let's see. Right now I'm just looking for a nice break out here. So I'm still waiting on it. ES is looking weak on NQ. This is a little bit confusing here. Hopefully NQ is the leading one. You know what I mean? That should give us a really nice push up. The only thing I'm hoping that we don't get is we inverse this for rally gap and then we go back down, because then we're gonna be really screwed for a setup. Because if we don't get this one, by the time we get another setup, it's gonna be pretty, the chances are gonna be pretty low, I would say. And then we also have to worry about this one up here. But yeah, like I said, if we get a mini pullback, I would say it's fine. I would say it's pretty normal because of course there's the fair value gap. But I'm just hoping it's not a very strong one, because ES here is struggling a little bit, which will lead NQ a little bit down, especially after this fair value gap. But we'll see if buyers can quickly bring this back up. We should be good to go for some longs. So yeah, we're just waiting on that still. But hopefully it's not too much of a rejection here. Just hoping. Here, now that we're selling off a little bit, let me catch up with the chat. Let me see what you guys are up to. There's not a room between the 5 and inverse. Yeah, BW, that. Oh my. Oh, this is the one thing I didn't want, bro. No, I didn't want this such a strong sell-off. Which is fine. It's fine, but we could easily come back up. If I didn't want to see that sell-off, I was hoping like for something like this, or somewhere near there. But yeah, BW, it's fine. Because we already filled the imbalance inside of this range right here. What I'm looking for is a simple inverse into 504 for the first price target. And then anything else, we'll have to worry about for the fair value gap. But that was weird. We dumped down and then we're working back up. So I don't know what that's about. But as long as buyers can step in, we're chilling. No concern. Yeah, yeah, I already read that part. Probably the next 5 minute candle will be the breakout one. Stop hunt. Yeah, that's probably what it is. That's probably what it was. Yeah, probably have to take. Yeah, that's probably what it was. It took out. But like, where would the liquidity be at? Price has been playing around this 405 range a lot recently. Like I'm saying, I'm talking about a lot. Yeah, bank orders getting filled. Yeah, but where would they want to get filled? There's probably a massive like pool of liquidity around here, but where? Because this sell-off, this is not normal. So that was for sure banks, but they were for sure stop hunting someone or not someone, people. You know, like just a lot of orders out there. But where? Where would that be at? Because now, guys, if we get a pump up in this candle right here, it's literally banks controlling the market. Because this right here is the definition of a stop hunt, like you guys are mentioning. But like where though? I'm assuming it's probably this candle low or something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Could be a retest into an order block. The thing is, I don't know how to read order blocks. Isn't it this one right here? Wouldn't it be this one? Yep. Yeah, yeah. It could have been that, I guess. I like to think more about the stop hunt. Maybe banks wanted to fill orders at the order, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure what that sell off was for. Liquidity trend. Oh wait, trend line liquidity on the 1 minute. The 1 minute is not all that reliable. It could have been that. There's a million things that could have been. That's an answer that we won't know. So an order block is the candle before the big move. I think so. I don't know. I don't really trade order blocks. Let me see. What do you think about this year? Some banks, bro, are using the 1 minute on Tradevate? No, I do not use the 1 minute at all. Now, stuff like this is fine, right? Like I wasn't looking for a 60, 70 point sell off. I was looking for more of like a 30 to 40 point sell off, and then we go back up, which is fine, you know. But this one right here was pretty concerning, right? But yeah, we'll see. We still need a little bit more buyers to step in, obviously, to inverse the fair value gap, and then we should be good from there. So we'll see. We'll see. We need the best thing that could possibly happen right here is just buyers just completely step in and we inverse this, because then that means that the trade will be a quick one. This liquidity was small within all. On the 1 minute try. Yeah, it could also be that. It could also be that. Maybe that's not a top for the rest of the session. I hope not, man. I hope not. We're only 1 hour into New York, so we I hope I'm hoping we don't chop, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So far, buyers are trying to step in. They're starting to come into inside of this fair value gap, but we'll see. We'll see. We need, like I said, we need a lot of buying to come in so we can take this, because the setup is risky enough already. And if we don't have enough buyers stepping in, then it's just gonna ruin the confidence behind the setup. What about the fair value on the 15 minute? It's the same thing as the 5 minute. And then same goes on ES. Checking the inside. Yeah, so we're targeting 504, and then anything above that, it will be 594. see buyers keep trying to step in, but they're really struggling here, which is not something we want to see. We need very strong buyers to inverse this because we want to see the main move up here. After such okay guys, after such a big liquidity sweep like this, it's actually giving me a lot of confidence here. Because like you guys are saying, banks probably stop hunted a lot of people. They got filled out at the absolute bottom. If banks are stop hunting people to the downside, they want this to go higher, which is my theory. It will be an amazing thing, you know. But hey, we'll see. We'll see what comes up. We'll see what comes up. So far, buyers, like I said, they are struggling to break above this. So you know, it might take some time. It might take a few minutes. Hopefully not too long, but we'll see. So far, yeah, buyers are still struggling. ES is doing nothing really. Bro. Chop, chop, chop. Eh, maybe it might be some sort of consolidation here, but like I said, I really want to see this inverse. We just need more buyers. I don't know why buyers are struggling here. They shouldn't. They really shouldn't be. We have everything's everything's like ready for the rip up. From what I'm seeing, it's just there's no buyers. We need some movement. Go get some water, bro. Actually, matter of fact, I do need water. I drank all of it. Hold up. Now I drink all of it. How do we determine if a rejection off a midpoint on the fair value waiting for a rejection or inversion? It's pretty easy. You gotta ask yourself, okay, did we take out liquidity or do we have room for lower? If we have room for lower, you're gonna take the midpoint. If we took out liquidity, you're gonna look for an inverse, right? Because you got the liquidity sweep. So right now we're looking for an inverse because we took out liquidity at 405, right? We have liquidity right here. We took it out. We're forming some sort of an MSS, not the strongest one, but we took it out, meaning that since we already took out this level of liquidity, it seems like the market doesn't really want to go any lower, right? Because we took out the low that we wanted to take out, right? With us taking out this low, of course, to go any higher into liquidity above, we want to go ahead and take out the fair value gap. But yeah, no, buyers are really strong. If we have to wait 20-ish more minutes, then I guess I'll do it. It's all about patience. But I'm just hoping we don't break any lows. That's the one thing I'm really hoping for. Because, like I said, buyers, they're just nowhere to be found at all. They're really nowhere to be found. Cause someone go and wake up the buyers. But that's what I'm trying to say, bro. Like we have everything lined up, and just there's just no one buying this. By the way, guys, how many of you guys stacked up on accounts yesterday with a discount? I'm curious. Cause 5, yeah, bro, it's insane. I'm gonna stack up on some as well. I'm gonna try to aim for that 40K payout soon. Already maxed out, bro. This thing, yeah, the discount will be up for about a week, I believe. Got some. Yeah, no, a lot. Actually, a lot of people did. I think. I'm gonna stack some up and try to pass them. So I can get the bro. Hopefully, I can get the 40k payout soon. Who knows, man? Who knows? That'll be a blessing. See, not much, bro. Not much. Mm, 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 mm. So far, we keep playing around this 405 level, guys. You bought more Evas? Not yet. Not yet. Isn't it risky trading all those accounts? Yeah, but you just, I mean, that's part of trading, bro. Everything is risky. Bro, we keep playing on this 405 level, like a lot of times, which I guess is good if buyers want to step in, because you know that's what we want. What's the max you can take out on a 25k account? I think it's 1.5k, right? It's it is, yep, 1,500. All right, buyers just stepping in again, guys. I'm hoping we don't chop here, because if it gets choppy, then we're really in a bad spot. Like really in a bad spot. Head and shoulders, I don't really trade that. Once past the eval, do you still pay the $30 a month? No, you don't. No. You don't pay anymore. We're waiting for a trade, bro. We're waiting on it too, bro. We're waiting on it too. We've been waiting on it for an hour. Someone said, "Okay, guys, I'm gonna go short so that every someone needs to take the the sacrifice, bro." High low, yeah, definitely. It's not the prettiest one. I'm gonna tell you, Frank. It's definitely not the prettiest one, but is there? Is there? You know? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, also. Because yesterday ES was leading, and it gave us such a free trade with NQ, but today it's kind of chopping. I'm not gonna. I don't want to say it, but it's getting slow. It's definitely getting slow. We're not near lunch hour yet. We're about to be, but we're not in a point where we should be chopping for lunch. I really don't want to say that we're chopping, but that's what it's looking like, guys. Price is getting really slow, really slow. And I have a setup for you guys, but it's just when price is so slow, I can't really put anything out there for you guys. So it gets a bit hard here. And let's see, we're about to go into this 405 range again for the third time. Maybe it's one of those trades during the lunch hour days. Maybe. I mean, we have all day for the setup. To be fair, We have all the confirmations lined up and everything. It's just we need buyers to inverse this, and now we're breaking these lows. So I don't really know what to say. But yeah, I mean, if the market wants to go lower, I guess we could look for some shorts into 276, but it's gonna be a little bit risky. So we will need to break this low first. You see the 15-minute? Yeah. Oh wait, from 2 a.m. Talking about this one? It's there. It's not something I would trade, but it is there. I mean, I guess we are holding this up pretty well. But we'll see. Let's see what this candle does now, guys. Are you streaming your premium too? Yeah, that's where I'm reading the chat from. I don't really I don't really read the YouTube too much because I have another tab open for my trading for another Discord. Man, that's what's behind your trading times. For example, 10 a.m. Okay, so for me personally, I like to wait 30 minutes after the market opens because, of course, when the market opens, it's really hectic. You can't really find any setups right off open, or not usually, and all that stuff. So I usually just wait 30 minutes for everything to kind of settle down. Us giving it gives us a setup, a trend, everything, and then we go from there. You could trade the opening, but you're running a big risk there. Think it's possible we start looking for shorts if sellers keep coming in. If we break this low right here, this one, I would look for shorts. I would look for shorts into 276, because that's where we have next. But you got to be careful because now price is chopping up. Price is getting really slow here, so you got to be extra careful. And I'm definitely gonna be careful with this setup. Maybe go down. This bullish for which one? The 15-minute one? The 15-minute one is not something I would look to take. Um, just personally, I'll just use it for a bias. Just use it as yeah, same. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. When it comes to overnight fair value gaps, I usually don't. I don't really use them. We have one on every time frame. Yeah. Just when it comes to overnight fair value gaps, like I said, I don't really like to use them. The volume in those overnight sessions are not the best. But patience, guys, patience. I'm sure we can get this set up soon, but I don't know how soon. From previous New York sessions, I don't usually use them, but if I have to use them, I will use them. Space. $700. Let me check for you. Hold on. The daily limit on a 50k is 780, and on a 75k it's 855. Does that include? Yeah, it's just your daily target has to be 780. You really you could go above it, but try not to. I don't know, bro. I don't know what that is. What about the one day pass? What about it? Guys, we keep playing around this 405 level. I don't know what I don't know what there is in this level that's so interesting for both buyers and sellers, but we keep going back down and bouncing off of it. Cause that's a 30% rule. Um, Apex has a 30% rule, and that's what it adds up to. Creators, you could, Kevin, but I wouldn't. I wouldn't. I don't like I said. I personally, for myself, I don't like trading overnight fair value gaps. Just the volume in those gaps is just weird. Sometimes they don't even get respected. So I tend to avoid them. But if you want to trade it, you could. You really could. Market died. Yeah, the volume is a little bit slow. Hopefully it picks up soon. You never know. You never know. But like I said, guys, if we break and hold below 366, I'll just flip my bias over back to bearish and just target 276. Yeah, exactly. There's no daily limit, but you kind of are like you're technically limited. Yeah, to 30% of the day. Shaking off yesterday's highs. Thing is, yesterday's highs, I don't really think they matter all that much because we already filled those highs. But yeah, no, guys, price is slowing down, unfortunately. Hopefully, it picks up. You never know. It could pick up going into a setup, but for now, it's just it died out. I'm just hoping we don't chop out too much. Let's see. We might just test back at open. This we could, bro. It's just the thing is, if okay, look, like I said, if we break below 366, and we hold below it. It's not like just like a liquidity sweep, and we actually hold below it. I'll flip my bias over to bearish, because I mean, yeah, the market is bearish right now. We've been trying to catch the MSS, but it's not really coming along, right? So if we can't even get the MSS, we might as well just play with the trend and go into 276, right? Thing is, we need to. Here's the problem with this. We don't have a setup to go into 276. So by the time we break 366, we create a fair value gap, we retrace into it, and then we go back down. We could do that, but it's gonna be a little bit hard. There's gonna be a chance, maybe even a good chance, where we don't even get a setup. So I would rather us get a lot of buying coming in, and then we trade with the setup that we already have. Because us creating another setup on the way down is gonna be pretty hard unless we get a lot of volume, which you guys can pretty much see right now. It's not the case, right? Because the market is chopping up a little bit, or the volume is dying down. So yeah, we can flip our bias back to bearish into 276 if we break below 366. But the problem is, it's not going to be the bias. It's going to be finding the setup. That's the real problem. That's the concern there. So like I said, I'm really hoping we can hold above at least 366 for throughout the AM session. So because we already have the we have all the confirmations, we have the setup, we have everything confirmed. All we need is buyers to just inverse this fair value gap, so we can then target 504 and above. But yeah, I mean, like, you guys see how weird this price looks? I'm just hoping price doesn't look like that if we approach the fair value gap above. Because if we do, then I'm just not. I'm not even gonna bother with the setup. I'll probably just come back PM session if that's the case. But we'll see. We'll see. Bro, yeah, bro. I remember. I miss saying that, bro. It was during, bro. The month of August was amazing. Half of September was amazing. Then everything just went to shit, bro. The market just died off. Good trading is boring trading. Yeah, exactly. I mean, we are here just watching paint dry, pretty much. But at the end of the day, bro, it will pay out. You know. You think the market? Yeah, 100%, 100%. I feel like the closer we get to election day, the slower it's gonna get. Wait, when is election day? It's November 5th, right? Yep, bet. So the 5th. We're waiting on that. Are you voting? Yeah, I am. I think I have to, right? I'm 19 and all that stuff. What's it called for Apex? It's called Blasters, bro. So 80% off. Here. You don't have to, but yeah, no, of course. I already did. I already did. Don't worry. I thought it was like a mandatory thing that you have to vote, right? For real? That's rough, bro. Here, let me catch up on my YouTube chat real quick, guys. Give me a second. Yeah, it is only for PA accounts. Yes. Alright, see if buyers can step in here, guys. We need a volume spike here. We need volume to pick up. Bro, I already did, bro. Trust me. Bro, someone said he's a day trader. What do you expect? I mean, bro, I'm all about business, man. So, you know, showing ID should be. What do you mean by showing ID? I don't get that part. I don't know too much about voting. So, bro. Bro, guys, what is this price action, bro? What is this, bro? We just pumped up 20 points to come back down 25 points. Bro, you gotta drop the sauce on the meme coins when you do it. I'm gonna do it. I just don't really rely off me for that because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just buying shit that's just Trump on it. Just for just to do it. Who knows? Maybe a 3,000, 30,000, 300 X. I don't know. Some shit like that. You never know. You never know. Joker, if anything, if you're gonna cancel your Apex, just full port it. You never know. Hey, maybe you might pass it. Just not in a market like this though. Order blocks? No. The thing is, order blocks doesn't cause chop. You know what I mean? That's the problem. It's just the market is slowing down and playing around this range. What was your biggest position per account this past month? Um, this past month, like in the month of October. I don't know. Like you're talking about like my biggest trade. Let me try to find that for you. Hold on. In the meantime, I'll wait for this setup, which I don't know how long it's gonna take for it to play out. October, I would say my biggest trade has been. Okay, so we got a 95 point trade on the 1st of October. Another 90 point trade. I don't think, guys, I don't think I've hit any 100 point trades this month. Because this month obviously hasn't been as good as last month. It's been really slow with election day coming up. But my biggest trade this month were what, like 18 days, 17 days into the month. My biggest trade has been 95 points. So just close to 100, but nothing crazy. Because of course you guys have seen the market conditions. They've been pretty bad. No, I meant contracts per account. Oh, just the usual 10 accounts. I mean 10 contracts. My bad. Is there a video for an Apex? Oh yeah, actually I'm gonna post it today, bro. I did a whole bootcamp on Apex, setting it up and all that stuff. So it should be posted today during the PM. But yeah, I got you. I'll add everyone for it. Bro, do you go over the 30% rule on Apex? No, I don't. I don't. If I want to pass in one day, how many contracts do you recommend? Maybe 3 minis. 3 minis should get the job done. Or 30 micros. You get one good move, about 50 points, you're done. Like what, like 30 to 50 points depending on how much you size. You should be good for to pass it with 30 micros. Bro, guys, what is price doing, man? This thing is getting slower by the candle. Wow, this is the one thing I really did not want to see. I missed that. Miss what? Miss what? I'll go to PA. Bro, yeah. Okay, guys, I think that the sell off here was because of war news, right? How long is the 1 day pass thing happening? For 6 days. Passing. Oh, no, don't listen to that. That's just for someone that wanted to pass it in 1 day. You would do like 30 micros or 33 minis. But don't do that. Don't do that. It's not very smart. But guys, price is getting slower by the candle, man. This thing is unreal. Should I stay cash and go back to sleep? Maybe come back PM session. That would probably be your best bet. Is full porting against the rules? No, there's no rules on eval accounts. They do not care about that. So if you pass in 1 day, you start to go. No, you don't. You do not. No. Nope. You don't. Someone said, yeah, I'm staying cash. No, not worth trading right now. Yeah, I mean, at least for right now, I agree with you guys staying cash. There's definitely nothing to take here. The market's just very, very slow. I thought you couldn't pass an eval in under 7 days. That was a rule back then, but now with the discounts that they put out, it's really a 1 day pass type of thing. You know, you could pass it in a few minutes and you'll be funded. Yeah, I know I can set up an alert. Yeah. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to come back later. Would you guys be down for PM session? I don't know. I don't know. I wanted to stay on to see if we can get some volume, but I mean, guys. Oh shit. Bro, price is slowing down literally by the second. You guys, every candle is getting slower, and slower. It's unreal. No, they didn't just change it. They changed it months ago. Can't do PM. Man, it's fine though, bro. If anything, just come back tomorrow. But yeah, I'm assuming most of you guys are down for PM, right? Because if anything, we can come back. I'll do another live stream PM if we get the setup. Because right now, nothing is going on, guys. Literally nothing. So, of course, there's nothing I can really give you guys to trade, you know? But yeah, I'm seeing a lot of you guys want PM. Volume Loki buns as well. Yeah, hopefully PM is not worse. Because this week, the PM session has been horrible. Like, really, really bad. So, I mean, we can only hope, you know? We can only hope that price is good during the PM session. If I go to sleep, I'm gonna miss the trade. Bro, just don't go to sleep, man. If anything, guys, yeah, bro, PM. Okay. Wait. Let's see, this might be a volume spike. I was about to say I'm about to end it, but what are we doing here? Nothing crazy. But yeah, if anything, I don't know. Like, there's really nothing I can really put out here. Like, there's actually nothing I can put out here. But yeah, guys. All right, I guess we'll come back PM session then. Are you guys? Yeah, I'm not asking you guys are down. A lot of you guys already said yes. But yeah, all right. I guess we'll come back PM session. I'll do it live. I don't know what time. Whenever we get a setup, if we get a setup, I'm just hoping we don't chop up. But if we do, we'll just come back tomorrow. But also, using TradeAway, do I need to subscribe to real-time data? If you have a funded account, no. If you are in a live account, yes. A funded account should come with live data for free. Hold up. We're getting some sort of selling here. It's not the strongest. I don't know. What's up? 2 hour and... Nah, I don't trade the hourly for value gaps. Yeah, no, I don't do that. I don't do that. But alright, guys, I'm gonna end the AM live trading for now. I'm just gonna come on PM session when something comes up, because right now the markets are not good to trade, and I don't want to be forcing out a trade in this type of market right here, guys. So I would say try to stay cash, guys. Try to stay cash for a little bit, and just come back later. I'll come back with you guys. It's earnings on a new chip. If it's not a major earning, then it won't really do anything. But alright, guys, I'll catch you guys later in the PM session then. All right. If I see a setup, I'll put it out in the commentary, and then we'll get back on into the live trading. All right, guys. All right, I'll be active in the chat if anything. If I see something, I'll let you guys know. All right. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. Alright, guys, and for the people on YouTube, guys, if you guys want to go ahead and, because I won't be streaming the PM session on YouTube, guys, if you guys want access to alerts, live trading, the PM session for today and everything, guys, go ahead and click the first link in the description to go ahead and join the premium, guys. Alright, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream for today. I will be posting the bootcamp later today, but if anything, I'll be seeing you guys in the live trading tomorrow. Alright, guys,